Question number 10. This question is of partial fraction. Let fx is equal to 21 minus 8x minus 2x square over 1 plus 2x into 3 minus x whole square. First of all, we have to observe that if the fraction is proper or improper, clearly this fraction is proper because the degree of the variable is lower in the numerator than denominator. So easily we can express this function into partial fractions. Secondly, in the denominator there are two factors. One is a linear, other is a linear, but this is repeated. So we will write first 21 minus 8x minus 2x square over 1 plus 2x into 3 minus x whole square is equal to a over 1 plus 2x plus b over 3 minus x plus c over 3 minus x square. Now we take the LCM of right hand side. 1 plus 2x into 3 minus x whole square is the LCM. Now if we divide this LCM by this factor, it will be cancelled. 1 plus 2x will be cancelled. Remaining is 3 minus x whole square will be multiplied by a. Or this will be a into 3 minus x whole square. In the same way, b into 1 plus 2x into 3 minus x plus c into 1 plus 2x. Left hand side remains the same. 21 minus 8x minus 2x square over 1 plus 2x 3 minus x whole square. Denominator from both sides cancel out. We get 21 minus 8x minus 2x square a into 3 minus x whole square plus b into 1 plus 2x into 3 minus x plus c into 1 plus 2x. Let this is equation 1 and A for reference. Now we have to find actually the value of A, B and C. So for this first we put, because in the question and in the denominator of the question there are two factors, separately putting equal to 0. First we put 3 minus x is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 3. We are putting x is equal to 3 in this equation. We cannot put x is equal to 3 in this term and in this term, because 3 minus x is equal to 0. This will be finished. Only we can find the value of c. So putting x is equal to 3, 21 minus 8 into 3 minus 2 into 3 square is equal to c into 1 plus 2 into 3. Simplifying, we get the value of c. Left side is, after simplifying, minus 21, right side 7c From here, C is equal to minus 3. Now we will put the other factor is equal to 0. Other factor is 2x plus 1. 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now we put this x is equal to negative 2 in the same equation, equation A. Now since 1 plus 2x is equal to 0, we cannot put here and here because this will be finished. But because 1 plus 2x is equal to 0, only we can find from here the value of A. So 21 minus 8 x is negative 1 over 2 minus 2 into x square minus 1 over 2 here is equal to A into 3 minus minus 1 over 2 square. Simplifying, we get 21 plus 4 minus 2 into 1 over 4 right side A into 3 plus 1 over 2 whole square. Further simplifying, we get 25 minus 1 over 2 is equal to A into 7 over 2 whole square. From here we get 49 left side. Taking LCM, we get 49 over 2 right side is A into 49 over 4. From here we get A is equal to 2. Now we have found two values A and C. Remaining is B. Just we have to find B, but we have not the third factor in the denominator. So we will compare the coefficients of like powers of x. From here, from equation number A, we will compare the coefficients of like powers of x on both sides. So far, before this, we will expand this 3 minus x whole square and find the product of 1 plus 2x and 3 minus x. So we may have the coefficient visible. So we are expanding this and find the product of this. From equation A, we will write this equation 21 minus 8x minus 2x square is equal to A into 21 minus 8x minus 2x square on the right side A, expand using the identity 9 plus x square minus 6x plus B, product is minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 plus C into 1 plus 2x. Now comparing the coefficients, first we compare the coefficients of x square. On the left hand side, coefficient of x square is negative 2. On the right hand side, coefficient of this x square is this A minus 2B. So we will write minus 2 is equal to A minus 2B. The value of A we have already found. A is equal to 2. We get minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2B. From here, we get the value of B is equal to 2. Now we will put these values of a, b and c here, then the function will take this form. Now putting the values, we get fx is equal to fx becomes 2 over 1 plus 2x plus 2 over 3 minus x minus 3 over 3 minus x whole square. This is the answer. Now next part B of this question is hence obtain the expansion of fx in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x square. Simply, it means that we have to expand this fx. We will expand each term separately. So first we will expand including the term x square. So first we write this function fx is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2x we will write in this form because we have to apply here the formula binomial theorem plus 2 plus 2 into 3 minus x for negative 1 minus 3 into 3 minus x for negative 2. Let this equation is say this equation is A for reference. Now we will expand these three terms. We will do we will make a box. We will represent each expansion, each function by a box. Let this is box 1. This is box 1 and this is box 2. And this is box 3. Now we will expand these boxes separately. Then we will put here the values, expanded values of these. Now here we will use the binomial theorem. First I write the formula. Formula is this 1 plus x raised to power n. My first term must be a 1. If not 1, then we have to make it 1. First term is 1 plus second term n into x plus next term is n. This is binomial formula, binomial theorem. N into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into x square. Next term will be n minus into n minus 1, n minus 2 over 3 factorial into x cube plus and so on. This is formula we are using here. And the question, first term must be 1. This formula is called binomial theorem. First we will apply this on this box, then on the second box, then the third box. First we are taking this first box, expansion of uh, expansion of 1 plus 2x power negative 1. First term will be 1, Second term will be n into x. Use brackets for this. Plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into x square. X is 2x. Second term is 2x. So 2x whole square. Now we simplify it. We get 1, first term 1 minus 2x plus 4x square. After simplifying, we get this. This is the expanded form of box number 1. This is the expanded form of box number 1. Now we will expand this second term, which is 3 minus x. 3 minus x power negative 1. We need 1 here. We have to make first term as 1. So we can use, so we make and use this binomial expansion formula. To make first term 1, we will take 3 as a common. Within bracket we have 1 minus x over 3 whole power negative 1, and this will be written as 3 power negative 1, or 1 minus x over 3 power negative 1. 3 power negative 1 is 1 over 3, or we will expand this 1 over 3 into expansion of 1 minus x, power, x over 3 power negative 1. We will use this formula. We get 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into minus x over 3 square. Now we simplify all these terms within the bracket. After simplifying, we get 1 over 3 into 1 plus x over 3, and simplifying this term we get x square over 9. Now multiply by 1 over 3 each term within the bracket. We get 1 over 3 plus x over 9 plus x square over 27. This is the expanded form of box number 2. This is the expanded form of box number 2. Now we will expand the box number 3. That is 3 minus x raised to power negative 2. Again we will make the first term 1 by taking 3 as a common. 3 into 1 minus x over 3 whole power negative 2. This means that 3 power negative 2 and 1 minus x over 3 power negative 2. 3 power negative 2 is 1 over 9, and we will expand this 1 minus 3 over this 3 power negative 2 is 1 over 9, and expand this. We write here 1 over 9 Expanding this using above formula, 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into x square, x is minus x over 3 whole square. Now simplifying these terms, 1 over 9, first term is 1, second is after simplifying we get 2x over 3, after simplifying third term we get 3x square over 9. Now multiply by 1 over 9 each term within the bracket we get 1 over 3 x over 9 plus x square over 27. This is the expanded form of box number 3. This is the expanded form of box number 3. Now we will put these expanded forms in the related boxes. Form A, we can write 2 into expanded form of box number 1, 2 into this, we get 2 into 1 minus 2x plus 4x square plus 2 into expanded form of box number 2, 2 into 1 over 3 plus x over 9 plus x square over 27 minus 3 into expanded form of box number 3 minus 3 into 1 over 9 plus x over 27 plus x square over 27. Now multiplying 2 with this bracket, 2 multiplied by this bracket minus 3 with this bracket, we get 2 minus 4x plus 8x square plus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 9x plus 2x square over 27 minus 1 over 3 minus 2x over 9 minus x square over 9. So collecting the like terms, these terms directly cancel out. We have to give the answer in ascending powers or increasing powers of x. First we will collect the constant terms, 2 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. After simplifying we get 7 over 3. Now collecting or adding x terms, minus 4x, only a single term in x, minus 4x, square term 8x square plus 2x square over 27 minus x square over 9. This becomes, after simplifying we get 215 over 27 x square. 215 over 27x. Here, this is the required answer.